with a degree of AB History in 1966 and finished his Bachelor of Laws in 1975 at the UP College of Law. He was elected Senator in 2004 after a stint as Secretary of Tourism from 2001 to 2004, during which time he created a new image of the country under his WOW Philippines campaign. Prior to 2004, he was the chairman of the Subic Bay Metropolitan Authority, virtually rising from the ashes after Mount Pinatubo erupted and when the Americans left Subic Base. Dick Gordon rallied his people in Olongapo and attracted young professionals to join as volunteers to preserve what was left and transform the place into a vibrant reform. This was by no means an accident of history, as he long envisioned the conversion of the base from purely military use to a civilian and commercial use, attracting investors which saw the rapid development of the former naval base. For this, he earned a lot of recognition. In 1995, he was called Flash Gordon of the Philippines and was given several titles such as the Chairman of Subic, Shogun of Subic, Messiah of Subic, Sultan of Subic by various international publications. From his outstanding performance in Subic, Asahi Shimbun recognized him as one of the 50 young leaders of Asia in 1994. Asia Week, in its 20th anniversary issue, included him as one of the 20 great Asians for the future, while Japan's NHK TV featured him as one of Asia's who's who in 1995. He was former mayor of Olongapo City and is credited for having cleaned up the city literally and figuratively instilling discipline and observing cleanliness among the inhabitants. He instituted the color coding of public utility vehicles in Olongapo and proper waste disposal long before this practice